All set and ready to race, and they're off. Early lead is taken by the Sergeant by the rail is Dynamic Club, and moving up on the outside is All In. Is the Sergeant in the lead, followed by No Guts, No Glory, and All In on the outside by the rail Dynamic Club and Laon Laan. And nearing the far turn is still the Sergeant in the lead, followed by No Guts, No Glory, and Laon Laan Dynamic Club, and All In moving up on the outside is Market Value. Rounding the far turn, the lead is taken over now by entry number 2, No Guts, No Glory, Laon Laan, and the Sergeant by the rail in third. No Guts, No Glory by 2.5 lengths, followed by Laon Laan in second. And the Sergeant moving up on the outside is All In Dynamic Club, Market Value. The last bend for home, it is still No Guts, No Glory, followed by Laon Laan in second, and moving up on the farther outside is All In. At the top of the stretch, No Guts, No Glory by the rail, Laon Laan in between horses, and All In now moving up on the farther outside. All In on the outside by the rail, No Guts, No Glory, Laon Laan, Market Value, Dynamic Club. And nearing the payoff line, it's All In. And finally, it's a cinch for All In. Laon Laan, No Guts, No Glory, Dynamic Club, Market Value, Flying Hope, the Surgeon, and Ashikuda.
Nagdilak ang Helga, Tony, nabawian. 6-3-2.